I am Atharva. Today we are going to learn how to read 3 letters word using phonic sound. Before starting, in last video we learned phonic sound of alphabet. The link is given below in description box. So let's start. For example, A and D. Sound of A is A. Sound of N is no. Sound of D is the. Join the letter and read the word A and D. And. Next, B, A, T. Sound of B is B. Sound of A is A. Sound of T is T. Join the letter and read the word B, A, T. Bat. Next, C, U, P. Sound of C is K. Sound of U is A. Sound of P is P. Join the letter and read the word C, U, P. Cup. Next, D, O, G. Sound of D is D. Sound of O is O. Sound of G is G. Join the letter and read the word D, O, G. Dog. Next, and A, and. Sound of M is M. Sound of A is A. Sound of N is N. Join the letter and read the word N, A, N. Man. Next, P, E, N. Sound of P is P. Sound of E is A. Sound of N is N. Join the letter and read the word P, E, N. Pen. Next is R, U, N. Sound of R is R. Sound of U is O. Sound of N is N. Join the letter and read the word R, U, and run. Next is Y, E, S. Sound of Y is Y. Sound of E is A. Sound of S is S. Join the letter and read the word Y, E, S. Yes. In this way, we can read many words easily using phonic sound. Okay, bye bye. Meet you in next video. Please like, subscribe and share.